cuties, it's Miss P from Belly Motions. Have you always wondered, how do those belly dancers wear their hip scarves? What is that around their hips? Well, I've got a tutorial for you. First things first, what are these things called? Well, if they've got coins, we typically refer to those as coin belts. If they have glitter or nothing at all, we call them hip scarves. Let's show you how to wear them. Here's the way I wear my hip scarves. I like to layer, so I will take my first hip scarf and wrap it just at the hip joint, just above the hips. Boom. 2 knots, nice and tight. Next, I'm going to put a hip scarf. Check this out. I'm going to wrap this on the same hip. Keep in mind, you can tie the knot on the right hip or the left hip. Doesn't matter. Boom. And my third layer is my coin belt. Check me out. I'm going to wrap this on the other side just to give some asymmetrical vibes to my hips. Check it out. 2 knots, nice and tight. Boom. And a little tip to make your hips look bigger and fuller, go on a diagonal. This will create the illusion that the hips are bigger than they are. And there's one more thing I like to wear, because the more glitter, the better. Belly chains. You can wrap them around your belly or your hips. This will create all sorts of motions and potions and really show off the moves. And voila, that's how to wear your hip scarves and your coin belts.